everybody, welcome back to another video. So as you know by the title obviously, today's video is going to be spraying my new Type R wheels. So I got these off a mate the other day, and to be fair they are actually pretty decent condition for the price I bought them at. I can't really complain at all, to be fair. And yeah, I just wanted a black pair. I do really think that the silver on silver is a really nice combination. When I've got them on, I'll show you in a second on the other side. Yeah, it looks a lot better than I thought it would, but I think I just want them in black, and I might sort the curbing out on them a little bit, kind of do them up, put some filler on them, sand them and spray them, and yeah, I'll go through the entire process in a minute. So I'm going to do two on this side, leave them a bit, and then put this side back on, get the other side up and do that side, but I'll just do the two here and then show you the end result of all four later on. So yeah, I'll just show you what I mean now. So I've taken them off on this side, and let me just take this off tripod, sorry. So as you can see, this side is off obviously, and this is what they look like, so that's one of them. So yeah, it's just a little bit of, you know, curbing really on them, but yeah, I'll show you the other side as well now. You may have noticed as well I got the red badges back on. I'm not Type R wrapping it or anything, it's just, I think it looks a lot nicer, so I put them back on. So this is what it looks like as well with them on. They look really, really good. I didn't really think that silver and silver would look that amazing. I mean, I knew it'd look good, but not this amazing. They do look really nice, but what I want to do is just get them sprayed black, and then hopefully get some springs on them, some e-back springs or something like that. About 120 quid for some springs, get it lowered, and then it'll look nice. And then a few little bits left to do on it. And I've pretty much got it where I want it to be. I'm going to get the Mugen spoiler as well. So anyway, this isn't a video about car parks, it's about spraying my wheels. So I'll set this up now, and we'll get it prepped, and yeah, I'll show you what needs doing up there. Okay, so I've got the wheel up here now. I've gone over it with a bit of the higher grit, well, it's basically just Scotch Brite that you need for this, so I've gone over it with the higher grit one. So I'm going to go over with the fine stuff now. You just want to go over the entire wheel, so it will actually stick to it obviously. So we'll just do this now. Okay, so now that the face of the wheel is prepped, turn it over and then work on the inside without scratching it. Okay, so just do the same again, but on the inside. Okay, so now that the wheel is prepped, ready for spraying, we'll just go ahead and start it. Okay, so now that the wheels have been sanded down, we're actually going to take a chisel to the outside and just get all the scuffs off around the edge, as it is overhanging, like it's been curbed, so we'll do that now. Hi buddy, so welcome back. So the wheels have all been refurbished and sprayed, so let's have a look at them on the car. So here they are, done. I just think it makes the car look 10 times better than black, just stands out a little bit more. And yeah, refurbishment job, I'd say that they are still a little bit mucky. I've not properly cleaned them, it's a bit wet, so a bit rubbish for the video, but yeah, I'd say it's pretty good job done. Don't know how you can see it, but there were holes in it, there were gaps, there were big lumps out of it, but yeah, finally all done and filled up. Paint job on it was just a gloss black from Halfords, so it's not the cheapest, but I didn't want to get the Honda Civic, the Honda Black even, I think it's called Hawk or something like that. Didn't want to get that just in case if it wasn't glossy enough, so I just went with the gloss black, and yeah, they've turned out pretty well. I do like the silver on silver before, but refurbished and sprayed black, I just think they look really nice. So yeah, that is the final product. So I've not done the insides, I may do them at a later date, just a bit more work and probably a couple more cans. So yeah, that's what you can achieve if you just do it yourself. It would take a couple of days to actually do this and spray them. This would probably cost about £60 per wheel. That's actually more than I paid for all four with new tyres. So yeah, this is just do it yourself job, and I'd say it's pretty easy if you just take your time with it, sand it down the right amount and take care with it. You can actually do a really good job of it. These were fairly badly curved, probably get ones that are worse, but yeah, so yeah, that's the final product. So hope you enjoyed the video. So it wasn't exactly an instructional video, but it was just kind of going over, following me spraying them and the before and after mainly. So yeah, that's what it can look like. So if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to drop a like and a subscription. I will be doing a lot of the stuff to this car, and I've got some ideas for the future, what I want to try and do, so there's going to be a lot more to come. So yeah, please drop a like and drop a comment of what you think as well, and what I should do to the EP2 and some other stuff maybe. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you next video.